We're going to start our baby goats here in the centre with an oval shape that's slightly tilted. So just very lightly in pencil, I'm just doing it a little bit harder so that you can see it on camera. Just an oval shape like that. Remember, if I go too quickly, just hit pause and rewind. Next, we're going to be doing a little circle. This is going to be the head, so just here. Doesn't have to be perfect, these are just preparatory shapes just to help us. Going to be our guidelines. And then a line from the circle to the oval. Often when I do tutorials, I'll watch it all the way through, then I'll go back and then I'll play it slowly, pausing it. Now for the little muzzle area. A little backward C shape for the ear, and for the front leg, a shape just coming down like this and round. Now for the tail, little curved line up like that. And then last but not least, the hind leg. So just do a shape just like this. It's springing up on its hind legs. There we go. Now we're going to be focusing on the head area. So we're just going to be doing the top of the head, starting off here, coming round to the little muzzle area, and coming all the way down, like this. Then we're going to be adding the eye, just about here. Do an eye like this. And then they've actually got rectangular shaped pupils, so just drawing a rectangular shaped pupil. That's to help them, give them peripheral vision and to avoid predators and to see well in the dark actually. Now for the nostril, like this. And then the little mouth, like so. This little baby goat's very happy because it's jumping in the air. Now for the ear. Just draw an ear like this, coming round like that. It's a little bit foreshortened, so it's kind of poking towards us. Now for the back of the head, coming down, a little bump here, goes inwards and then up again. Now for the little tail, so this goes up like this, and then some curved lines to show that it's all fluffy and comes in like that. Next it goes round. So do you know what a baby goat is called? I'm sure you do. It's called a kid. And the actual act of birthing a baby goat from the mother goat is known as kidding. So it takes on a whole new meaning. Are you kidding me? Ha ha ha. Anyway, I'll stop with the bad jokes. So now we're going to be doing the little hooves. So just like this. And it's covered with some fur, so I'm just drawing some lines like that, just to show that there's fur there. Coming up, and then it comes round and inwards. Now we're going to be doing the forelegs. So starting here, we're going to come up and round. Just going to be drawing the fur. And then coming up, round, and inwards, and then just a little hoof just poking through just underneath here. And now for the super fluffy tummy, just drawing lots of little dashes to show fur. Okay, so if you haven't gone over it in pen already, go over it in pen and then erase all the pencil lines. Okay, now I'm going to add some details, so we're just going to draw a little furry bit here, just on its head, and then a little line coming down here. Also going to draw the other little foreleg just coming in round here. Can't see it that much. And then the other one just poking out, the hind leg just poking out behind here. We're just going to add some markings. So this one's got some markings. I'm just using these dotted lines just to draw markings around here. And then just some little dotted lines just here, just so that we know what colours we're going to be doing. And just some horizontal lines just to show that it's not flying in the air. So these are all the colours I'm going to be using: white, yellow ochre, burnt umber and some black. I'm using acrylics just simply for ease. I typically use watercolour on here, but I'm just using acrylics really, really diluted with water. So just covering the majority of the drawing. Just adding some brown, darker here, darker towards the top. You don't have to stay within the lines. Mixing the brown with some white. Mixing the burnt umber with the yellow ochre, just for the ground. And then now for the black. Leaving the eye area. Adding a little bit of shadow here and underneath here. Carrying on with the black markings. A bit of yellow for the eye, just a little bit of shadow. I'm just adding some black to the brown underneath here. And there we have our finished kid. So I hope you've enjoyed it. If you've enjoyed this one, you're going to absolutely love this playlist of baby animals, so check it out now.